Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see my review on the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer and Powder, then just keep on watching. So guys, my main focus will not be on the foundation or my foundation routine. It will just be on the setting powder and concealers. So as you can see, I'm just going in moisturizing my face with my First Sally. And then I'm going to go ahead and prime my face using my Wet n Wild matte primer. So after doing that, I'm just going to go ahead, quickly apply my foundation and then come back to conceal, to highlight and contour. And guys, I will not be doing like a full Fenty face. It will be like maybe like a 80% Fenty, 20% other products. So now onto the showstopper of the night or evening, the concealer. It says to be creamy, long wear, crease proof, light as air, medium to full coverage, brighten under eyes and conceal blemishes and redness. So I guess you can use it like as a corrector. So the concealer that I got was, I bought the $3.90 to highlight and then the $4.98 to contour. And guys, did I forget to mention that this concealer comes in 50 shades. Now at first, when they first launched the foundation, they only launched 40 shades. But now they added 10 more new shades to the foundation. So like for each foundation, there is a complementary concealer that goes with it. So for example, if like I'm a 430, I would get like a 430 concealer, but if I want to have a more brighter under eye, I would go like a shade or two lighter instead of getting the 430. So guys, I'm here babbling because I'm giving the concealer time to dry, and it seems as if it's not drying. It's not. The consistency of the formula is totally different from the foundation, because the foundation really does dry quick, and this has been there for a while now and it's not drying. As you can see, it's blending out, it's going somewhere, it's not staying put. So I guess next time when I'm using this concealer, I will use like way less than I use now. So as they say, less is more. It's better for you to build up instead of trying to take away. So as you can see, I'm pointing out the crease that I have. I have natural creases under my eyes, so I'm going to see if this concealer is going to prevent my concealer from creasing underneath my eyes. So I'll just wait for the end result to see what happens. So now I'm just buffing out the edge of my highlighted areas with my foundation brush to give it like that fade into that foundation. So I don't want it to look harsh or anything. I just want it to look blended and smooth. So as you can see now, with my contour shade, I'm using like a little bit. I'm not doing too much. I'm just using a little bit and then blend it out, and you will actually see where this little really goes a long way. Now for the final showstopper of the night, the Instant Retouch Setting Powder. It says to be super fine, weightless setting powder, extends makeup wear, reduces shine, blur the look of pores and fine lines, imperfections, and no flashback whatsoever. So I did go ahead and get the shade Honey because the Honey looks more on the yellow side like the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and the banana that they had, it looks more whiter. No, I wouldn't say it looks whiter, it looks more light. It looks too light for my skin tone. Now this powder comes in 8 different shades. 8 different shades. So now I'm giving the setting powder some time to marinate into my skin while I go ahead and set my contoured areas. So I'm going to go ahead and dust off the excess when I'm done and see how it turns out. While dusting off the powder, I realized that I smell something, and then I take a sniff and it's actually the powder. It has a smell, but the smell is not overwhelming. I can't describe the smell. It's like a sweet smell, but it's not overwhelming. I'm gonna go ahead, finish off the rest of my face and snatch my wig on, and I'll be back. So this is how my entire face looks in natural lighting. So now it's time for me to see how well this concealer and setting powder works. Now for the revelation, let's put them to the test. So guys, I am back with this review. I've worn this foundation for like what, 4:30 to 9:30, actually almost 10 o'clock. So I've worn this foundation for almost 5.5 hours. This is my face. So I was really testing out the powder, and I did get the shade Honey. It looks more like the Sacha Buttercup, but more smoother and finer. I didn't get the Banana because the Banana looked a little too light, so I didn't get that one. And I did use the 390 concealer, even though the shade that I use in the foundation is the 430. I did get the 390 concealer, and I think I could go a bit more lighter. And then I used the 498 as my contour shade. And this is my face. It's pretty oily, and I have some clips in which I checked in during the day, so you'll see how my concealer and powder was holding up. As you can see, it's supposed to be crease proof, but you can see where it's separating. This powder definitely has no flashback. This concealer and powder is definitely wearing well. It is still in place. I don't think it's moving or anything. They're definitely lightweight, and this concealer and powder wears well together, and I'm here for them. This is my T-zone. So my T-zone is oily. I have oily skin, so 5.5 hours almost. Is it bad? Is it good? I'm gonna try and do like a little touch up, like use a brush to like dab it and see if the oil will go away or if and this is just my brush, the brush I used to do my foundation, so I'm just using it to dab it, just to soak up like the oil, the grease on my face. Here we go. My skin is good again. Nothing didn't lift. So here you go, guys. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this little review / wear test, and please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell another friend. Share this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.